So holly bushes are absolutely demon spawn. And out here at my house, we used to have a huge holly bush here, one right here, and then down there, right there, we had a gigantic one that just kind of covered that, I don't know, third of the porch. And these things are absolutely unbelievable. We can't get anything else to grow half the time, but the holly bushes, I could cut them down to the ground and they would just come right back in a year or so. And I've struggled with it, trying to cut them down and get them to not grow. I've looked up a bunch of different options. And what I finally realized is the best way to get rid of holly bush is, number one, I bought a chainsaw. But then I cut it down nice and low, all right? And you can see what I did up top here is I actually came in and I drilled a hole. So those are, I think that's probably a 1/2 inch drill bit. You can see right here, you know, so I drilled it down about that deep right there. But then I took some used motor oil we had from changing the oil and I just poured it right in the hole right there and right there, just kind of covered it up. And you can see it's working, it's not sprouting. Now I've got, because these things are so tenacious, we've got a little bit of new growth coming right here, but other than that, it's kept them down absolutely for months. So if you're struggling with getting rid of the holly bushes, this might be a great way to get them to stop growing and give you a chance, because I've never been able to clear all this mulch out. The root system is so extensive. I've taken axes to it, saws to it, shovels to it. I can never get them out. And this seems to be working really well to at least prevent them from coming back, where I've got a chance to hopefully let it die off enough to jerk it out of there.